Welcome to the next Around the IT Block Chalk Talk. I'm your host and chalkboard writer, the IT Oddfather, Calvin Zito. In this Chalk Talk, I'm going to give you an overview of HPE GreenLake Management Services. I want to start by telling you I've done several Around the IT Block podcasts looking at HPE GreenLake Management Services. Episode 19 is an overview, and there are other episodes looking at workloads. Subscribe now to my Around the IT Block podcast at hpe.com/dmn/atitb. Let's start by looking at today's reality and the impact to your business. IT environments are more complex than ever before. You need specialized skills, and they're more difficult to acquire and retain. And security threats are more prevalent and costly. Let's look at these 5 numbers. 95 and 43%, 86%, $13 million, and only 29%. What do these mean? 95% of customers have both public and private clouds, and only 43% say all of their applications are expected to stay in the same place over the next year. 86% of businesses currently identify some kind of skills gap associated with implementing cloud. $13 million is the mean annualized cost of cybercrime per organization, and only 29% of executives say they are highly effective at closing IT security gaps. To help ease this burden, what you need are the right skills and resources at the right time. You need simplified and centralized insights to effectively manage across edge to cloud. An agile as a service experience to help meet business expectations and competitive pressures. And automated security and compliance to minimize risks. The power of HPE GreenLake Management Services is a unique combination of people, process, and platform that we've developed to service our customers. I'll touch on these a little bit more in this Chalk Talk. Our focus on people, process, and platform enables us to speed digital transformation by bringing full stack expertise and automation across edges, data centers, co-locations, and clouds. Gain transparency through holistic monitoring and insights across complex, disparate IT environments. Simplify IT by delivering an as-a-service experience with workload automation, capacity management, and remote monitoring. And reduce risk by managing security and compliance with proactive monitoring, correlation, and threat remediation. IDC did a study looking at the business value of HPE GreenLake Management Services. Let's look at 4 numbers and what they mean. 35, 41, 85, 287%. A 35% improved efficiency. Simplified IT by spending 41% less time keeping the lights on. Greater reliability with 85% less unplanned downtime. And lower costs with a 287% 3-year ROI. Let's look more closely at HPE GreenLake Management Services. Of course, it starts with HPE GreenLake infrastructure, applications, and workloads. We tailor our services to meet the unique requirements of your environment. With HPE GreenLake Management Services, you can focus more on your strategic initiatives by allowing the HPE team to take on the heavy lifting across your entire IT stack. Most of our customers are looking for operations supporting across the following 5 segments. Core infrastructure operations like compute, storage, and backup, mission critical and nonstop. Security, risk, and compliance with managed security, continuous compliance, business continuity, and DR. Software asset management for license inventory, license compliance, and software agreement tracking. Hybrid cloud with multi-cloud service management across containers, Azure, and AWS operations. And SAP with deep expertise with SAP HANA and SAP Basis. You can't underestimate the value that HPE GreenLake, the edge-to-cloud platform, brings to cloud data services. I recently did an updated HPE GreenLake Chalk Talk. To understand the benefits of HPE GreenLake, you can watch it by clicking the eye at the top right of the screen. HPE GreenLake Management Services is an integral part of the as-a-service experience. The foundation for this experience is 12+ years in managing consumption-based services, automation for self-service or managed workload deployment, unified software platform for visibility, control, and management, and scalable hardware, software, and expertise. This means you get simplified IT with a holistic approach. It drives faster time to market with curated workloads delivered as a service, and reduces cost by paying only for what you need and use. And I think it's important to emphasize security and compliance. We have trusted processes, tools, and expertise to identify and remediate threats. We use a holistic approach across security, compliance, and platform auto remediation. The result is, it reduces financial and reputation risk. It protects platform, software, and data across your hybrid estate. And it improves compliance posture and reduces audit time and accuracy. To learn more, go to hpe.com/management services. You can find our blogs at community.hpe.com. I'd love to hear from you on Twitter, where you can find me as Calvin Zito. Until next time, thanks for joining me on this Around the IT Block Chalk Talk.